Why are all real estate agents on straight commission? Right? I'm in this business actually right about 30 years right now. If you don't count high school and college summers and weekends, I never understood why nobody's figured out how to give a base income to real estate agents. We figured out a couple of ways. I'm going to tell you about one of them really quick right now, and that is that we have big clients right now. There's a whole new wave of capital flowing into the U.S. housing market right now. We've got 4 clients, $1 billion each. You know, if they achieve $1 billion and they stabilize it, they want to keep going. These are people looking to make a name for themselves in the finance world by building a large SFR portfolio, and we've got 4 of them, and there's more coming. We have a very sophisticated system upstream to real-time analyze the MLS, put human beings analyzing those properties to figure out if they work for the client, and then get them out into the hands of people out at the front of the spear, real estate agents whom I have a massive amount of respect for, and I insist on having people with boots on the ground and local market knowledge in this process. It's why we win in this game, and we have in the past, is because we don't think it can be done from 1,000 miles away by robots. So we have a certification class coming up. It's free. It's going to be fun. It's going to be 2 hours plus Q&A. It's going to be funny, and I guarantee you're going to learn things about real estate and learn things about your market and how to really understand your market and present it to institutions. And I'm going to give you a business opportunity during this course. I need to build a national network to service the accounts I already have. Imagine that. So you're invited. Click here, wherever it is. Join us. Maybe this will be a life-changing thing that'll give you baseline income in your real estate business. So I hope to see you there. Thanks.